Hello everyone, I'm sure all of you are doing great. So I am Nusrat here again and again. I'm back with another company like many others in the past, uh, related with work from home job opportunity. And this time I would like to introduce you to Outlier.ai. So imagine as you already know that we are going through this wave, revolutionary new wave of platforms where people are getting paid to either train or test or even improve AI system, all of this from the comfort of your home. Outlier.ai is another company which connects businesses which are building AI with people like us. Sometimes people working from people who have technical background, and sometimes you have good communication skills, or you have certain expertise into certain areas without any knowledge of coding, but it is always appreciated that you have knowledge of AI and a little bit of Python, Java, or C++. Now, in this company, you will find a mix of both, where uh, there are lots of job opportunities which do not require any coding skills, as well as others. Now, this is a company which generally falls in between in terms of payment, because its average pay rate is $15. And I remember, like last week, I did a company, I think it was We Localize, which was paying just $6 an hour for a non-technical job. And then there are other companies which I have reviewed in the past, which are paying $25 an hour. So that's why I'm saying this company falls little bit or somewhere in between, where the pay scale starts from 15 to $18 depending on your technical skills. And there are lots of opportunities which are available, and when that's what I wanted to show you. So this is a very good company in terms of AI, and even if you have expertise in maths or chemistry, history, data science, speech, you will find in some job opportunities here. And again, this is a work from home opportunity. You don't have to follow any dress code. You do not have to worry about just about commuting. All you need is good communication skills, sometimes knowledge of coding. So always just go through this website, because they keep on updating vacancies from time to time. And as I always say, this AI is booming, it's exploding, I would say. And in this time, the demand for people like us who have some sort of new knowledge of AI, or even without AI, there are tons of jobs available on these websites. I would request that if you watch my other videos, there are many jobs which do not require any technical coding or AI skills. So go through it, and let me also show you a little bit more about this job. So all you have to do is you can click on view opportunities. So here you have some of the opportunities, and as I said, just keep on visiting the websites, because sometimes you have lots and sometimes you do not. So in case of specialist, you can see that they want people with biology, chemistry, physics, maths, these kind of vacancies, train robots with data entry for AI. And also, if you notice, they want people from all over. It doesn't matter. They want remote locations. So many jobs are only for people from United States or Canada, but this is also for Mexican, China, Belgium, India, Germany, France. So they are recruiting people from all over the world: Taiwan, Korea, Ireland, Spain, which is a good indication, because sometimes you are not paid that well just because of the location or place you are coming from. And again, we have many other jobs where which requires coding. Now the vacancies which are available here, the first one I was looking at, coding expert, which is for from Latin. So I think this is because they want Spanish and Portuguese for Brazil. That's why they have limited this. But if you look at the other vacancies, they are for everyone. And I was also amazed about the employee satisfaction rate, which is 4.1 by Trustpilot. So I think this is a really good rating, because, as per my knowledge, most of the companies are rated just 3 or 3.5. So 4.1 is what I consider as very, very satisfying. If you see, there are very few people who have given 1, 2, or 3 stars. Most of them have given 5 star. So, which shows that the satisfaction rate of the people or the staff out there. And I would request you to just go through this website. And like always, I am this was just one of the job opportunities related with AI jobs, which I'm covering today. And in case if you like this video, please click on like button. In case if you have any questions, please drop your questions in the comment section, and I would love to answer. In case if you want me to make a video on some other um, on some other issue or subject of AI, do let me know, and I would be happy to find a solution or give you an answer related to it. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon with another AI jobs or any other update. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.